the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's.
Oh, my beautiful people, this is Eva TV program. I don't come out today, but this thing when I want talk, so it really dey touch well. Not be waiting person dey smile put. Na very sad story, because they say waiting person no expect at all. When that thing come happen, e get as e be, my people, really get as e be. How can mature people like this just go street, start to dey fight with their children, dey with them? E no good at all. No be wetin good, but at the end, wetin come pass and come out, the thing really bad well. Really bad. Why my people? Na every day una go just dey come dey disgrace una self, disgrace una country. E no good. So una name na dem go just still dey hear for everywhere. And every day we dey come out dey talk this thing, make una stop am, make we respect ourselves. Una no dey hear. Una go dey finish for one, another one go dey happen. E no good. Okay, make we talk about them now. Look wetin dem do yesterday. See, this one husband and wife, they start to dey insult themselves, start to dey talk many words. And you, this woman, when e pack children follow body, when you start to dey shout, dey make problem. You wan tell me now, I wan ask you one question. You wan tell me now say that other woman, you no know say how that woman character be? You no know how that woman really be? Because you know why I dey talk am, I no dey judge you. They say the way when somebody take behave, now you go take judge the person. Because that kind of person wey be say for streets, in front of police, he pull in her dress, he change am. You no know that kind of person. Huh? You wan tell me now say you no know how that person be? Say that person character. And if you even look am sef, when e dey talk, you know say even that woman, e dey drunk. That woman dey drunk. That one when he pull in dress, e dey drunk. Okay, see now, your husband, when he even say he go send somebody to RIP, now he come die. I think you see am. That's why dem say make we dey take time for this life. Make we dey take time, because I know say if he talk am like that because of annoyance, not be say e mean am, just make dem just dey talk. You know, na man dey like to hold ground, but the man talk am just like that. But at the end, na him come go. E get wetin go happen to you. E get wetin go dey when you see, you just notice that thing, see say this thing na big problem e wan cause. You go walk away. And as una don start, una don dey make that problem, you see say the thing no dey stop, the thing don dey tough, and one police car don already dey there. Una no wan respect. As una just see the second car like this, na so e come be like say dem pour kerosene inside fire. Now the thing start to dey burn again. The thing come start, una come start to dey shout like say they don come, make we do am for their present, make dem see. That is called disrespect. Una dey disrespect them. The kind way when una do so, una dey disrespect those people, e good? Those are the security men when dem supposed to guide you people. Before, if you see security man, you go quick respect yourself. If you fit do that kind thing for bongo, you fit do am. You see man with uniform, you start to dey do. For there, they will put you for ground, they will beat you well. Your body will correct, because una see say they no dey beat una. When dem come, na dem will even dey pet una. See the way dem dey stop una and start to dey shout. Those people dey look una, they tell una say don't do for where. Una start to dey shout. Okay, make una dey go house now. Now una start, as una just see the second car. Now una, the thing come be like say e worst well. Okay, look that man now. And you, that woman, you no go tell me now say you no know your husband condition. You no know say that your husband get BP when you start to dey do that thing. Okay, make una dey go now. You no hear. E start to dey hold you from where e dey hold you now. Now e get this attack now. Now e don go. E don go. Why you see that woman, the other one, you see am say e see say that kind thing don happen. You see as the woman still dey do and me I no sure say na that even whether na the sport wey una dey fight or na another, maybe as the man don reach house the thing don too much na e get. Na only God know whether na house or na there immediately, because e dey hold you na e get that attack. Make una do something. Make una no dey say, make una no dey try when after una don finish wetin una do finish, una dey say I die no. I die no always be the last, and don't let I die no come to your life. No dey ever let I die no come to your life, because you can walk away, you can avoid that problem, but you refuse. You no wan let that problem go. You stand, you hold ground with that woman, because you won't really face am for the fight. You won't finish everything, make you see the end and see wetin e lead. See wetin e lead. Everywhere don scatter. Na una matter na im come dey waka dey go for everywhere now. You go news na una matter, you come social media na una matter, you go Facebook na una matter, everywhere una matter dey rant up and down, which is very bad. And which name dem dey call? Na that Naija, na the name dey there. E no dey comot. E no good. Okay, see you now for hospital. You don start. If say you know, you for dey go say you for not dey make the problem. Okay, see now for hospital you suppose to dey regret, start to dey talk the good thing when the man do, how e take send money that day for your parents, send for your papa, your mama, send for your own people. Wan do your traditional marriage. You know say you wan do your traditional marriage, now you start to dey fight. Only that one sef no go even give you joy. Say, see, as mature as you are, say now you wan do your traditional marriage, make you for dey happy. The next thing na to dey fight, dey hold ground with another woman for street. I think as you don die now, you will go do the traditional marriage well. Make you just pray. Make you pray, say na good family now you go see, because if not, they will hold you for the responsible of that man death, because now you caused the death. Even though you want escape that death, you say not be you, now you kill that man. Because maybe if fit die before later, but not be now. If for die, but now you call am just earlier death. Now you, because your stubbornness not to go house, start to dey fight. Now the man dey hold you when he get that attack, when he take die. I think you dey hear. Now so una go start, they say na home problem. Some people don dey write and say na home problem. They talk am say na whole problem, na him finish am. Wetin be whole problem? Because dem hear say you wan do traditional marriage, na be the whole problem when they come kill am. Make I tell you, na no whole problem for this one. Sickness na sickness. When you get am, you need to follow up with the treatment. And one thing when I want advise una, my people, una dey get this thing, una dey do am well, una no dey like to go control. Me I no know of this man, or maybe e dey go control. Me I dey talk general now, una don dey talk to now. You see our people, una will see their belly, they will big. If you tell them, say, see your belly as e big, they'll say, I be big man, and I be chopper. I be chopper. Na lie, big belly no be chopper. Big belly na sickness. I think they hear. Na big sickness. You see, make I tell you, especially if you get BP, and some people they get and they not go know that they get problem like that. Some another sickness, they not go know. They will say maybe na the enjoyment when they enjoy the beer and this more, all this our jolly food when we they eat. They will say na it make them they get that fat belly. Most of them not be emo. Now sickness they that belly. Why I call and say na sickness? One, you fit get the person fit get BP now. If that belly too big, to breathe down very well, to get free breathing, you know they easy. You know they easy at all. You need to do this diet so that stomach will can't go down. Doctor, they really advise person will tell you say you need to free that stomach, because if your stomach big, you know go they fit breathe fine. You know go they your breathing no go they clear well. You need to let that stomach dey flat. Not be say go just flat too. That is to reduce your weight, so that make the breeze they go down well if you they breathe. So the thing be say if you no get that kind breathing fine and you get heart attack, once you get that attack, you no go free. Na once you go just take that person and the person go just go, you no go free, you go just go die. And my people, make una still dey try. When una come back for anywhere, una sit on una stomach, una dey do some exercise. No be so una just dey load that food, all those our semo, our pounded yam, una just load am for belle finish. After una do finish, una sit down small, the next thing abeg. No, e no good like that. Una need to do some exercise, walk around, so that your body go free. That thick food when you eat, e go come circulate for your body, e go free, because that food is strong well. I think una understand. No be say una no go check up. The next thing una do na to dey drink native medicine. Once una hear anything for una belle, na say una know everybody na doctor to himself. No be say I say native medicine no good o. Native medicine good, but you need to go hospital. You do your this thing echography, which is scan to scan yourself to know wetin be your problem. When you go, then tell you, okay, fine, if na native medicine go let you take care of your own, fine, you go for native medicine. If na the other medicine when doctor will give you, you take am. I think you understand. Don't just leave yourself like that. You say because of you know wetin dey do you just rest like that. No, make una no dey do like that. Make una dey go dey check on herself. I think you hear. You see wetin happen to this man now. See him brother. If you listen wetin the brother dey talk, the brother really dey talk good of am. Say see as dem eat the day before yesterday, which dem no go eat again. Say the man prepare food for them, then eat. Now the way when he say dey talk, the man a good man. I think you understand. Make we try, make we dey learn. This woman now, you see am, you sit down there now, they say Tizoro now don go, which is my love. Your love don go. Who cause am? Na you. I think you hear, and this is the regret when you will regret for the rest of your life. I think you dey hear wetin I talk. So my people, na this one I carry come today. Abeg, make una try, make una dey like, subscribe, and make una dey try still dey thumbs up. I thank una very well. Thank you, and God bless every one of you when you dey subscribe. One love.